Hello, guys, welcome once again. This is the Love Surgeon. Today, we are going to be talking about the nice guy. Yeah, how to stop being the nice guy. Being the nice guy is not a bad thing, okay? You can still be nice, but at the same time, I'm talking about how to stop being taken advantage of, how to stop yourself from carrying last. Yes, you think the nice guy always get the go? No, you don't. On the contrary, that is the major reason why you have been placed in the friend zone. Yeah, that's the reason why you've been placed in the friend zone. Now, who is a nice guy? He is a gentle guy, okay? He's a gentle guy, one who wants to please everybody, the people's pleaser. All right, one who is almost always available, one who goes out of his way to make a lady happy. All right, now it's not like it's bad to be the nice guy, but like I said, people tend to take advantage of you. They tend to use you and dump you. Now, nobody wants to be used and dumped, and that is why I am here today to help you and tell you how you can stop being the nice guy, how you can stop carrying last, how you can stop being used, and at the same time maintain your integrity and still be your personality. That's the nice guy, quote and unquote. So, if you are watching this video for the first time, okay, smash the subscribe button, alright, and turn on notification so that you get videos as they are released from me. Alright, so straight into the business of the day, how to stop being the nice guy. The first tip here is that stop being too nice and start saying no. Most nice guys find it very difficult to say no. Just like I said, the definition, they are people's pleaser. Yeah, they want to please you, they want to please the lady, and they go out of their way to please the lady. Now, I believe we've all heard of stories and scenarios where a guy takes a lady out and she orders more than he can afford, yet he doesn't say anything, and at the end of the day, he's either calling a friend or he's trekking home. Yeah, you call a friend to come and bail you out when you could have saved yourself the trouble just by learning how to say no. Hello, lady, I don't have enough money to foot that bill. Right? Why not go for something smaller? Just saying no would help solve the problem of the day. So, learn to say no and stop being too nice. Stop being too nice and learn to say no. All right? I know you don't know how to say no, but you have to learn it. Whatever doesn't go down with you, learn to say no. All right? So that's the first way. Now, the second tip on how you can stop being the nice guy is that be harder to reach. Yeah, be harder to reach. In other words, stop being too available. Yes, familiarity, they say, breeds contempt. And Robert Greene in 48 Laws of Power say use scarcity to create respect. Stop being too available. Do you understand? Like you replying message ASAP on WhatsApp, on Facebook. No, you don't do that. It simply means you don't have a mind of your own. You don't have whatever it is that you're doing with your life. Yes, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be dependable, right? But give yourself some respect, okay? Give yourself some respect and make sure that you are replying at your convenience. If she's asking you to do something and it's not okay by you, especially at that time, you don't do it, except it involves life and death. Yeah, so stop being too available and be harder to reach. All right, that way someone will value you when they have you. Yes, when they have you, they will value you. All right, stop being too available. That's the second tip on how to stop being a nice guy. Yes, stop being too available. It will really help you. Okay. Number 3 tip on how you can stop being a nice guy is don't expect anything in return for being nice. Yes, don't expect anything in return. Now, the fact that you are being nice to her doesn't mean she must say yes to you, or doesn't mean she's going to say yes to you. Yeah, when you are doing good to someone, it doesn't mean she must say yes to you. It simply means you're being nice to her. Yeah, when you don't have any expectation for being nice, do you understand? It places you in a position to avoid what? Regrets. Now, when you do things out of expectations, of course, we all know that most times our expectations are usually not met, regardless of how much we expect. Alright, but then when you're not expecting her to say yes to you just because you're nice to her, you're just doing it because you want to be nice, and not because you want to please her or because you want something in return. That way, you will be at peace with yourself within your heart that you did this because you want to do it. Now, that alone makes you a decisive man, one who is doing what he wants to do because he wants to do it. Alright, so number 3, don't expect anything in return for being nice. Okay? Don't expect anything in return for being nice. Just be nice. Okay? Be nice. But then all I'm trying to tell you is that prevent yourself from being taken advantage of. Prevent people from using you, and prevent yourself from being friend zoned or from being used and dumped. That is all what this video is all about. Alright, straight to the 4th way on how you can stop being a nice guy is make yourself a priority. Alright, it's more like similar to stopping available, okay, all the time. It's make yourself a priority. Now, making yourself a priority simply means you're putting yourself first before any other thing. Before her, what she wants and whatever it is that she desires, you're putting yourself first. Now, if you are in a position, all right, to help someone and someone is asking for you, or she calls you, she wants you to do this. If you're tired, you tell her, I am tired. I want to do it for you, but I'm tired and I can't do it right now. Or I'm going to do it for you, but in 3 days time, or I'm very busy right now, so I can't do it right now. Yes, make yourself a priority. Put yourself first. If you need to rest, you take a rest. If you need to sleep, you sleep. Whatever it is you need to do it at that point in time. Always put yourself first. So make yourself a priority. Put your happiness first before our own. Yes, put your happiness first before our own. That way, she will value you. And you're not just going to do that to her alone. You're going to do it to every other person. So being the nice guy or stopping being the nice guy, okay, it's not just about relationship with what the female gender. No, it's about your interpersonal relationship with everyone around you, male and female. Do you understand? It has to do with what? Life in its entirety. Yes, everyone. Let her see that you're always putting yourself first, even when it doesn't involve her. Yes, also when it involves other people, always put yourself first. Okay, it only presents you as what? Someone who is what? Confident and has a mind of his own and was his own opinion. Yes, that's how it presents you. Alright, stop overthinking it, how they are going to feel, how they are going to, whatever they are going to feel, whatever they are not going to feel, is not going to be determined by whatever it is that you do. You're only presenting yourself the way you want to be accepted. So, make yourself a priority. Tip number 4, make yourself a priority. It's very, very important. People only value people who value themselves. Tip number 5 is be honest and stop talking along with other people's mouth. Now, talking with other people's mouth simply means you agree to everything that they say. Yes, you are agreeing to everything that they say just because you want to be accepted. Now, whatever opinion, whatever idea, whatever thought is it okay that someone expresses and that you are not okay with, alright, you need to do what? Express your mind, express your opinion, and let them know that you are not okay with it, whether they go ahead to do it or not. Let them know that you are not okay with it. It presents you as someone who is confident, alright, someone who has a mind of his own, and someone who knows what he is doing. Yes, so don't talk along with other people's mouth, and make sure that you are honest with whatever it is that you're doing. Not just with the lady in question, but with everyone around you. That way, you're not just gonna what? Stop taking last. you're going to do what? Be accepted wherever you are and for who you are. And most importantly, people will not take advantage of you. All right. Now, I am not saying that as a guy, you go out there and start being mean to every lady and everyone around you. All right. Yeah. You can still be nice and at the same time maintain your personality and integrity of being who you are in such a way that people will not take advantage of you. All right. It's all about not carrying last. Yes, it's all about stopping yourself from being friend zoned. It's all about getting things done. It's all about what? Being you. If you're watching for the first time, smash that subscribe button, okay, and turn on notifications so you can get the pop-up when the next video is up. Right? This is still me, myself, and Daddy Love Sergeant saying, when it comes to matters of the heart, we all react differently regardless of the general principle. Don't touch that dial, okay? See you in the next video.